Exo Investing iPortfolios app pricing explained what you get for your money. Exo Investing is an AI-driven investment platform that automates portfolio management based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Many people assume investing apps are expensive, but Exo offers a simple, transparent pricing model. The app is free to download, and you can start with a virtual portfolio to test the AI without committing funds. When you go live, the platform charges a management fee of 0.25% to 0.50% annually, depending on your account size. This covers portfolio optimization, rebalancing, and access to smart asset allocation strategies. There are no hidden trading fees, and deposits or withdrawals are free. Most people get this wrong by thinking iPortfolios mean they have no control. The surprising truth is that Exo lets you adjust your risk profile, set investment goals, and even pause the AI if needed. For example, if you have CO invested, the AI automatically relocates your assets across ETFs and stocks to keep your portfolio aligned with your target allocation. In conclusion, Exo Investing combined AI efficiency with low, transparent fees. Whether you are a beginner testing smart portfolios or an experienced investor seeking automation, the app provides actionable insights and flexible control for your money.